Hello there guys, I'm James from Oakley and today I've come to talk to you about a new release which is coming for 2014 and it's this one which I'm sporting right now. This one here is called the M2 frame. Okay, so brand new release for us. We did have an original M frame which sort of came out in 1989, so this is sort of like the next step along in the revolution of the M frame. Okay, like I said, it's called the M2 frame. Some slightly different features to it from the original one, but it's still got the true iconic sort of sense of the M frame. It's obviously still inherent in all our DNA as well. It's a real cool product for us. So with the M frame then, you have your unobtainium on the 3-point fit, our patented hydrophilic rubber. Okay, this becomes sticky and sacky through perspiration, so if you are going to be playing sport in this particular piece, it's less likely to fall off your head. The harder you work, the longer you work for example, the more you're sweating. The actual frame material itself is made from a material called O-matter, which is essentially a nylon infused plastic. So you can see how flexible it is. It's very lightweight, very durable, and it's designed to provide enough protection, enough cushioning for your face should you take impact during a sporting environment. Alright, now the actual lens itself is made from our patented material, our plutonite. Okay, the lens as well is interchangeable, so you can sort of mix and match all the different lens tints, different environments, different light conditions, okay, in order to optimise the best out of the lens. Like I said, it's plutonite and this gives you 100% UV protection, A, B and C, and also harmful blue light. And that UV protection is inherent in plutonite itself. The lens as well has been what we call taper corrected as well through XYZ Optics, our unique patent to taper correction geometries. Okay, so we actually make the lens thicker here towards the nose, and then it'll be thinner towards the outside, okay, towards the peripheral vision. Again on this side, thicker here towards the nose and then thinner towards the outside, so it's going to taper off away from what we call the optical centre, i.e. where your pupil sits. Okay, so that way it's going to eliminate distortion across the entire profile lens. Also, this particular piece, with it being a sport performance piece, has been tested and surpasses American National Standard tests for industrial eyewear protection, so ANSI said 87.1. So that involves dropping a 500 gram metal spike straight onto the lens and also shooting a metal ball bearing at 102 miles an hour straight onto the lens. Okay, so in a sports environment that could be something like a stone chipping or a tree branch of some sort, and therefore you can be rest assured that your eyes are going to be well protected by this particular piece. Okay, so you notice with the new M2 frame here, you notice a quite unique lens shape, and this is going to be a universal lens shape just for the M2 frame. So previously with our old M frame we had 5 different lens shapes. We had the heater, we had the strike, we had the sweep, we had the hybrid, we had the hybrid S as well. This has got elements of all of those in there combined into one universal lens to give you that complete coverage, that all-round wrap and rake on the actual lens itself, and minimising all the cheek gaps and the peripheral gaps around here. Okay, so it's taking the best out of all those previous lenses, fusing it in with a 21st century look, and then finally completing the piece off. You'll notice as well with the M2 frame, slight upgrade, we've actually increased the unobtainium here. The actual length of it itself, it's coming further around the stems on both sides there. That's going to give you a nice, secure and snug fit. Alright, so that here is the M2 frame.